Welcome back, explorers. Today we'll take a look at one invention of human ingenuity. A revolutionary machine from the 19th century filled with gears, cogs and mechanical contraptions. Imagine a time in the world without computers, without calculators, even without basic arithmetic tools we take for granted today. This was an age of steam and iron, where the clatter of looms and the hiss of steam engines echoed across the land. The Industrial Revolution was in full swing, transforming society, technology and science in ways that were both exhilarating and terrifying. Yet amidst this whirlwind of change, mathematical computations remained cumbersome and tedious, a task reserved for the most patient and meticulous of minds. But as factories sprung up and cities grew, the demand for faster, more accurate calculations became increasingly pressing. In this era of innovation and discovery, one man dared to dream of a machine that could change everything. Enter Charles Babbage, a mathematician, philosopher, inventor and mechanical engineer who had a vision unlike any other. Born in London in the late 18th century, Babbage was a man of many talents and interests, but it was his passion for mathematics that truly set him apart. From a young age, he showed a keen interest in numbers and calculations, a fascination that would lead him to a revolutionary idea. Throughout his career, Babbage was continually frustrated by the human errors that clouded mathematical calculations. He saw these errors as unnecessary obstacles on the path to true knowledge and understanding. As a mathematician, he knew the importance of precision. As an engineer, he understood the power of mechanics, and as a philosopher, he was not afraid to question the status quo and dream of a better way. In a world dependent on manual calculations, Babbage envisioned a machine that could perform complex mathematical operations without the risk of human error. He saw a future where calculations were no longer limited by the fallibility of the human hand or mind, and so the concept of the Babbage Difference Engine was born. The difference engine was not just a product of Babbage's inventive mind, but also his audacious spirit. It was to be a mechanical calculator, capable of computing and printing mathematical tables. This was a device that could bring unprecedented accuracy and efficiency to calculations, freeing humans from laborious and error-prone computations. Babbage's vision was truly groundbreaking. It was a step towards automation, a leap towards accuracy, and a stride towards a future where machines could aid human intellect rather than replace it. The difference engine was more than just a machine. It was a symbol of progress, a beacon of hope for a future where human error could be eliminated from calculations. Babbage set out to create a machine that could eliminate human error in calculations, a machine he called the difference engine. The creation of the difference engine was a task of monumental proportions. Picture this. It's the early 19th century, a time when the world had not yet experienced the marvels of computing. Charles Babbage, a man of vision and unyielding determination, embarked on a journey to change that. Babbage faced a series of Herculean obstacles right from the onset. The first was the lack of suitable materials. The Industrial Revolution was still in its infancy, and the materials needed for a machine of such complexity were hard to come by. Iron was too brittle, brass was too soft, and steel was prohibitively expensive. But Babbage was undeterred. He scoured the country, visiting foundries, shipyards and workshops, searching for the perfect blend of strength, durability and affordability. Babbage's second challenge was the need for precision. The difference engine required parts to be made to an accuracy of 1/10,000th of an inch. This was a level of precision unheard of in the era of handcrafted machinery. Babbage, however, was relentless in his pursuit of perfection. He worked with the finest craftsmen of his time, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible, striving to achieve the precision his machine demanded. Finally, there was the issue of funding. The British government initially supported the project, but as the years dragged on and the costs mounted, their enthusiasm waned. Despite the financial strain, Babbage continued to pour his own money into the project, refusing to let his dream die. Each challenge was a mountain to climb, but Babbage was not one to be deterred by adversity. His belief in his vision was unshakable. He pursued his dream with a dogged determination that was truly awe-inspiring. His story serves as a reminder that the journey to progress is often paved with trials and tribulations, but the end result can change the course of history. The Difference Engine, though never fully completed during Babbage's lifetime, left a profound impact on the world. This ambitious invention, a marvel of gears and levers, has resonated through the centuries and influenced the technological marvels we enjoy today. Each smartphone in our pockets, every laptop on our desks, owes a debt to Babbage's groundbreaking concept. The Difference Engine was a stepping stone, a precursor to the calculator and programmable computers that shape our modern world. It was the seed from which the mighty oak of digital technology grew. The principles that Babbage laid down are still used in our computers today: input, processing, output, a legacy etched in silicon and code. The Difference Engine, a mechanical marvel born from the mind of a visionary, paved the way for the digital age we live in today. Yet, the story of the Difference Engine holds a shocking secret, a secret hidden in its very origin. This grand machine, a marvel of its time, was not conceived in the intricate labyrinths of complex mathematical theories. Rather, its inception was nestled in the heart of a simple yet ingenious device: the loom. Yes, you heard it right, the loom, a humble weaving machine that has been with us since the dawn of civilization. It was the punch card system used in these looms, a method of controlling the pattern of the weave, that caught the visionary eye of Charles Babbage. He saw beyond the threads and patterns, envisioning a machine that could weave not just fabric, but the very fabric of logic, calculations, and predictions. As we marvel at the wonders of the modern world with its advancing artificial intelligence, let us never forget the shocking origins of the computer was actually born from the humble loom. See you next time, explorers. May we continue to weave our own stories with passion, innovation, and unwavering determination.